Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the luxurious and incredibly well-designed 2.0-5 Mercedes Motorhome. Let's take a look at what makes this RV the ultimate travel companion. Car details. First up, the 2.0-5 Mercedes Motorhome combines the iconic performance of Mercedes with the comfort of a luxury home on wheels. Powered by a turbocharged diesel engine, it delivers both power and efficiency for those long road trips. It's built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, which is known for durability, safety, and smooth driving exterior on the outside. This motorhome is sleek and modern. The aerodynamic design ensures less drag, improving fuel efficiency and road stability. With a full-body paint job, large windows, and an extendable awning, it's designed to turn heads while giving you plenty of space to enjoy the outdoors. Interior, step inside, and you're greeted by an open, spacious interior that's nothing short of luxurious. The customized cabinetry, ambient lighting, and state-of-the-art appliances make it feel like you're in a 5-star hotel on wheels. Plus, with full bathroom and kitchen amenities, you can live in comfort wherever you are. Comfort level. Now comfort is where this Mercedes really shines. The adjustable leather seats, heated floors, and climate control make every journey enjoyable. Whether you're parked at a campsite or driving through scenic routes, the smooth ride and spacious layout will make you forget you're in an RV. Performance 0-45 to 0-55. Performance-wise, the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome offers an incredibly smooth drive. The 7-speed automatic transmission and adaptive cruise control make highway driving effortless, while the advanced suspension system keeps